Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have some drinking water test kit here. Some strips, and it comes with 125 strips inside of here. And it's got the little scale on the side there so you can tell how good the drinking water is going to be. So let's go ahead and open it up here. That. Guess I have to pop open this. Okay, so let me grab a strip out of here. Okay, so here's a strip. Let me close it back up again. And we'll give it a try. Okay, so here is the strip. It says, keep wet fingers off the bottle, blah, blah, blah. Avoid touching, polluting. Okay, instructions. Immerse the strip for 2 seconds. I've got a cup of water right here. So we will immerse it for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Okay, take it out. And do not shake excess water off and compare it to the chart. Okay, so now we can look at it at the chart and we can see how good our water is. I think I'm backwards. So there we go, like that. So it looks like, trying to think how these go. I'm colorblind, so for me, it's not going to be the best choice on this. But, I mean, hopefully my water is fine. It tests for the chlorine, the ppms, and lots of other stuff. Oh, this one here is just like, oh, I guess the one there. Okay, so there, that's how it would line up. So some of these areas are good on mine. Some are not so good. Actually, it's funny because the glass I took of water is one that's been sitting down on the counter for days because it's when I have a little drinking bird that uses it. So this one here does not meet the quality that we would want to drink from. But how cool is that it gives you this little test strip and you've got all the little places to connect it up and everything. So we are good. So I'm going to say this is going to give us our readings on our water. Totally thumbs up.